Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is March the 11th, 2021, and on this particular video, we are going to give you all an updated price prediction for Kyber Network. So today is your first time watching our video, and you all appreciate you finally see someone who's giving you all a heads up as to where price is going to go. Hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel. Tap that bell notification as well, so you do not miss out on any of our content that we are creating in this space. So now real quick, you guys can tell we've done a price prediction in Kyber Network all the way back here on February the 22nd, right? And we played the weakness into the market in Kyber Network during that particular time. And as you all can tell, this is the performance of what the trap has done against our prediction. So you could clearly tell that he dropped the price in Kyber Network, which is excellent to see because we were in position to capitalize from that since the 22nd of February. So it wasn't no surprise for us to see the market in Kyber go lower. This is how you're able to take that money that the trap has taken from us and put it right back into your account. You got to be ahead of everyone else. That's the name of the game, is to be in position before anyone else sees where the price is going to go. And that's one of the best things that we are giving you all on this channel. So let's go ahead and take this away. I mean, congratulations, 13.36% at the very low of to the market in Kyber, at least 31.5. So there were a lot of profitable opportunities for us to grab this profit out the market right before Kyber went back up towards $2 to $2.20. So from 13% all the way down to 13.5. Excellent job for us to call the market that way. So now that is done, that is over. Like I told you already, we need to get in a position. We need to ensure that we are at the price right before the trap takes the market there. So let's zoom out real quick, and you can see here that the market in Kyber, for the most part, is trending higher in price. Okay, let's take this support area away, and I wanted us to look at the market in Kyber now here. Now there was a little bit of distortion going on in the market in Kyber while it was dipping below that trend, right? That is just distortion, but for the most part, the market held the market sideways there. So you can still attribute that the market in Kyber is still in a uptrend, right? Now, just like what we've seen here in Kyber during February, we're getting the same thing here on these 2 days, on March the 5th, and then again on March the 9th. There are sellers still up there at that particular price that we need to be careful of. We just simply need to be on guard that we are understanding that there are sellers, there are majority of sellers here around $2.30 all the way up there to around $2.50. That's where they're at. Okay, so let's look at this on a longer time frame into the market in Kyber, and even here on the 2-day time frame, there's a lot of weakness visually being seen in Kyber. 3-day time frame, you can see it even here worse, that the further in time we go out into the market, the trap is definitely showing us that there is weakness in this area that we need to be on guard for. And it's going to take a lot of demand and a lot of volume to push through that $2.20 area to $2.50 as restriction. We need to see a whole lot of demand, and as of this particular moment, it is not there. The 5-day time frame into the market in Kyber, again, this is hinting that the market is still weak in Kyber. All right, I don't see any strength on the longer time frame. The further we go out, the less I see the strength. Okay, even here on the weekly. So on the weekly time frame, you can see that we still have 3 days and 13 hours left. So we cannot be dependent on what we see right now on the weekly time frame, because this market is not going to look the same that it looks right now. So we're not going to really hold any credibility to what we're seeing right now in the market for Kyber on a weekly time frame. All right, so like I told you earlier, I don't see any strength coming into the market in Kyber on the long term. Here we are looking at the market in Kyber on the 3-hour chart, and I want you all to tell that this is where the market confirmed weakness. I mean, look at that volume. We've definitely seen a big player come to the market in Kyber and drop the price. Like whoever this was, i.e. whoever the trap, this is what the trap did in the market in Kyber right here. He came and he dropped a massive footprint for us to pay attention to. This is why the market in Kyber is going down right now, based off what happened at that 3-hour price bar, excuse me. So right now, we're still going to play the weakness into the market in Kyber. I don't see any strength as of this particular moment. So we simply need to garner and visualize, where do we see strength? And there's a very shallow area of strength right here in Kyber right now that in the long term, I'm definitely not expecting to hold, which is around $2, right? I don't see the market holding that in the long term. So from there, the next area of support is right around in this vicinity here. Okay, which is around $1.92. $1.92 all the way back down to $1.80. All right, so that's it. That's where we're looking for the market, at least in the beginning stages, to go to. The longer the time frame, the further we can drop into the market in Kyber, which literally is $1.90, $1.80, which will literally hold us though in the overall trend in the market in Kyber, right? So even if we see the market drop in Kyber to $1.90, we're still in a uptrend though for the most part, which is a good thing. So let's do this real quick. I'm going to drop the slope a little bit further into the market in Kyber based off what the market has done during this time and what happened during these times right here. All right, so let's do that. And so now we have a better idea as to what's really going on into the market in Kyber. Okay, so we're going to play the weakness in the market in Kyber as well. Daily time frame, I said $2.20 is the first area restriction. I can see around 225, so I'm gonna bring it up there to that particular level. I'm sorry, not 230. Okay, and we're going to expect the market in Kyber to go lower. Now I said $1.90 could be support, which we will skim off a little bit there, which is on about 5, almost 6% profitability. But I'm going to take it all the way down to $1.80 in the market in Kyber. That's definitely feasible in the long term. Okay, I wouldn't even be surprised in the long term we see the market come all the way back down to around $1.70, which is about 15.25% movement to the downside from where the market currently is. Okay, so we got 3 areas: 190, 180, and 170 as those areas of support. We will skim off a little bit of profit at each of those locations. It is not precise. I'm just giving you a general area as to where we're looking for the market to come in and try to prop the price up. Those are the 3 areas that we're paying attention to. So now, what do you all see in the market for Kyber Network? Do you guys think the market's going to go higher or lower? And it's just that simple. You need to get in position to capitalize on wherever the trap takes the price. This is what we're seeing. You might see something totally different on the price chart. Let us know. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.